Alright guys, quick tip Tuesday. I think that title kind of implies that I'm going to do these every Tuesday. I'm going to try, but more likely probably like once a month. But what I want to show you today is a quick and easy way to prepare vegetables throughout the week so that you only have to chop them up and weigh them one time. Of course you can use a measuring cup, but measuring them is not as accurate as weighing them. And throughout the years of doing this, I've learned how to just be more efficient with meal prep. I always considered meal prep the harder part of getting in shape. It's a lot more difficult than working out in my opinion. But I've learned how to be efficient. If you can clean up one time as opposed to every time, you're going to be a lot better off, and that's what I'm going to do today. So in the mornings I like to add mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, sometimes tomatoes to my scrambled eggs. And the only downside to that is the time that it takes me to do that. So what I've done is I've taken 4 of these Tupperware bowls like this, and I already know how much calories is in 100 grams of onions, 30 grams of mushrooms, so I have a predetermined amount that I'm going to weigh these out and put each square in. And let me go ahead and get started. I think it'll make more sense once you see what I'm doing. You basically zero the scale out and lay your Tupperware on there. And you know, this is 100 grams of onions per square. I may not use all of those, but at least I know how many calories that is each time without chopping them up, without weighing them every morning. Okay, I'm just going to call this the onion bowl, for lack of a better term, and you can see I'm right at about 400 grams with that scale zeroed out, and there we go. That's 100 grams for each square, and I'm just going to do the same thing with the tomato, mushroom, and green pepper. Alright guys, so there you have it. Like I said, meal prep doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be efficient. As you know, if you have a wife or a girlfriend, boyfriend, they love it when we cook for them, but they don't always love the mess that we make afterwards, so at least I'm just making that mess one time and being done with it. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe. As always guys, thanks for watching.
So this is how we end up. Shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty